Today is my birthday. I help my super cooking daddy and mommy to do decorations. One of my jobs is to place tablewares. I am preparing snacks for my friends. I also help vacuum and mop the floor. Finally, everything is ready, just to be patient to wait for my friend's arrival. I'm so proud of the work I have done. Look how wonderful it is. Finally, my friends are coming. I prepared a few games. Also, we have competitions. Time to eat. Our moms are helping us to serve the table. My big brother ordered some really good food. Pizza, chicken wings. And my super cooking daddy made us some chicken, lamb, shrimp, and fish for us. For sure, they sing the song for me and cut the cake. A really happy and unforgettable birthday for me. I really appreciate that my parents and my big brother helped me to prepare for my birthday party. Thank you for watching. See you next time.